Hi guys, I'm here and I'm back for another video, and this is Super Junior's long-awaited comeback. This is their 8th album. It's called Play, and we have the One More Chance or Bicharom version, then we have the Black Suit version. Black Suit comes with a random message card, then One More Chance or Bicharom version comes with a photo card and a CD plate. So I don't know who I got, so yeah, maybe I don't know. I'm up for trade, so I guess I'll just do the Black Suit version first, just because that one doesn't have that much random inclusions. I really love the art for this album. It's such a big upgrade from Devil and Magic. Here's the side, and you're supposed to connect this with the other version. Back then, Tracklist. Yeah. So I love that we actually get great packaging for this one. I love the photos as well. Let's see. Non-flash photography works so much. I love it. Donghae looks really good with blonde hair. Have a unit or half group shot, and we have Shiwon. Oh, hey bias. I know that you're digging on me. That is basically Super Junior to the netizens. So, yeah. The issue is a bit unfortunate with him, so obviously I wanted to see him in the promotions, but I respect his decision to like set out this one. I just hope that he'll be in SS7. The other members, Michirom. Yeah, Vito. That's a really good shot of Vito. The colors, like the pink, the yellow, green, chartreuse even, and like how his face looks. That looks so good. It's good day for a good day. It's a good day. The editing in this album is superb though. They look flawless. We have Yeso. Like, I'm kind of really loving this like shot that is more focused on the outfit. The aesthetics in this album is so nice. Emo kid. And the photo book is sewn. That is so much better. So we have Eunhyuk. Eunhyuk looks weird with black hair. Maybe I'm just really used to him as blonde. So the message card is coming up, and I got Eunhyuk. So this is gonna be up for trade for Shiwon. If you have Shiwon, let me know. Here is the back, the ads and the jean thing. I have Shindong. Is he really that tan though? Like he has a paler skin than that. Hicho looks hella good. But he always does though, so Oh, I love this. I love this shot. Is it? Yeah, it was backless. Then the CD is like a vinyl or vinyl kind of look, like an LP look. So yeah. Then the other version, so just so you know, it creates a picture or a thing. This one is the same thing except more Super Junior oriented version. So yeah, one more chance version. So here is what the cover looks like. I love like the silver foil thing. This one has red, but I think this one, I love it better. I like it better. So only difference between the CDs are nothing actually. Same order of tracks. Yeah. This one is blue. I love how large this photo book is. So more colors. I just love the photo books for these. SM really did well, or SG label did well in terms of like the concept for the photo books. Especially since this is more casual and you kind of always see Super Junior in more like themed outfits. Remember Mr. Simple? Or suits. Reality. So going into this unboxing, I kind of thought that I would like the Bichirong version photo book much better, but the black suit one is so good. Like I obviously dig colors more here, but I just find the aesthetic of the black suit version much better. I wonder if Yesong will have a different hairstyle by their next comeback, because this has always been his hairstyle, I think, for the most part. You have Shindong, still in stripes. Oh, that is nice. I love this shot without the filter. Happened here. Fluffy sweater. Have Dong Heaven's silver hair. We have the ads, then the card. So the card that I got is Shindong. So yeah, kind of unlucky since no one's really looking for Shindong, to be honest. So if anyone wants to trade Shindong for Shiwon's card, let me know. Oh, I love these shots. Shiwon. Kind of wish Shiwon had black hair for this photo shoot, just because him and black hair is just such a classic look. Looks really great though. Shiwon is actually the Maknae of this lineup of Super Junior. What? Then for Silpy, I got a Shindong one. So I don't really care for this one, but if anyone is looking for a Shindong and has a Shiwon one, I'm open for trading. But otherwise, I'm good, to be honest. I don't really care for Silpy that much. Like if I can store it, if I can't store it in my photo card binder, I don't really care that much, to be honest. So yeah, that is that for my unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.